What's the meaning of article? Article. Article.
Article. Article. Article refers to a written piece of content that expresses an idea or presents information on a particular topic. It typically appears in magazines, newspapers, academic journals, websites, and other publications. Articles may vary in length, style, and structure depending on the purpose and audience. They could be informative, persuasive, entertaining, or educational. Articles are important sources of information and play a crucial role in shaping opinions, spreading awareness, and promoting knowledge. They are often written by subject matter experts and journalists who conduct research and gather evidence to support their claims or arguments.